Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mark. Well, I'll tell you what, it's giveaway time. I'm going to give one person two of my favorite Shanka lure rock crawler colors. One's Phantom Green, one's Phantom Red. These are killers in the Ozarks and just about anywhere on the planet. So, at any rate, in order to win, you're going to watch this video and you're going to guess the 5 biggest fish weight in pounds and ounces. And also, as a tiebreaker, you're going to guess the 5 biggest fishes total in inches combined. If you can do that, you're going to win these. It's free, it's easy, no pressure, good luck. Check out the video. Take long. It's a nice bass. Oh yeah. Boom. Right off the bat. Let's get a weight. It's a nice example. I'll get a measurement. I'm sure he's bam on the coleslaw brawler, 3/4 ounce. Nice. Nice fish. Let's go find fish somewhere else. I caught 2 here. They're here. They're doing what I think they're doing, so I don't think we need to beat the shit out of everything. You know what I mean? Let's go for a rip down the lake. Oh my God. He came right back for it. Guys, I didn't think that was going to happen. This is a nice fish. Another nice one. Another nice largie. On the plum net bait, 4 3/4 inch. Man, okay. It's another keeper bass. Good fish. Same old story. This guy's got some black spots. Alright, let's measure. Okay. Fish number 4. Spot. big. He had it on the tail. You gotta get in your mouth, buddy. That guy took it straight to the shore. Okay, I'm giving the plum 2 more minutes. It's gonna be 2 o'clock. Oh, and we got a good one too. Ooh, yeah. The plum was, oh shit, you guys. This is a giant fish. Oh, no, no, no. Come here. Come here. Come here. Look at this spotted bass, you guys. Look at that spot. Look at that. Fish number 5 on the plum. Wow. It only took a minute, you guys. That was sweet. Sweet fish for our little giveaway we're doing here. Remember, the 5 biggest fish today, total weight of the 5 in pounds and ounces, and a tiebreaker will be total of the 5 fish in inches. What a sweet fish, man. Look at that. Nice fish. All right, we need to switch up to the green pumpkin. All right, go get bigger. Okay. We know the plum has got some freaking stank on it. But now, we got to try the green pumpkin. Okay. Right here, we got it. That was so fun, you guys. I saw that spot turn sideways and I was like, dang. It behaved like a smallmouth at first. I'm getting greedy. I'm a little pumped up from that last fish. I'm getting a little greedy. Thinking everything's a bite all of a sudden. I gotta slow down. There it is. Oh wow, we're not gonna disappoint. Let's boat flip it. Oh! How about that? We did not disappoint. Green pumpkin coming up clutch. This is my last fish. We gotta go watch Drake play ball now. Bam! Well, we're probably gonna call one. I don't know, let's see. Oh yeah, it's a keeper. All right, this is the 6th. Well, we caught way more than that, but we're culling. Let's see which was bigger. Here we go. Which is calling out. Get bigger. Wow, what a great day, you guys. That was fun. Here's the deal. 5 biggest fish I caught today. You saw I culled. We culled up and we had that little challenge between the pumpkin and the plum. And that was exciting right there at the end. Caught a couple nice fish, but at the end of the day, the total. I'll see you guys in a couple days with the results. And the inches will be tallied. Good luck guessing. You're gonna win a couple crankbaits from Shonka Lures. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you real soon. Take it easy.